Hello techies. In this session, we will learn how to work with Save Word action. Let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace. The main purpose of Save Word action is to save a previously launched Word instance over here. Save Word action enables the user to save a Word document in any format that currently the Word application supports. First of all, we'll see the input parameters for Save Word action. What are the input parameters that we have? The first one is the Word instance. This variable must have previously specified in a launch word or attached to running Word action. There you can see I'm having launch word. There I have used the variable that is Word instance to store my Word instance. The same variable I'm going to use inside my Word instance, that is Word instance variable. Now coming to the second parameter, I'm having save mode. There you can see I'm having two options. First one is save document and save document as. This is nothing but how to save the document of this instance. Now, whenever you are going to select the save document, the default one which we have used at the launch word, in the same document it will save the document. Now we'll go for the second option, that is save document as. Whenever you have selected save document as, there will get document format. What is the document format? The format of the document which we want to save. There are multiple formats available for the Word application. If you drop down that, there you can see I can save in .docx format, that is Word document, macro enabled document, that is start.docm, Word which is 97 to 23 document, that is start.doc, Word template, docx, Microsoft enabled template, DOTM, and you can see document template, PDF format, XPS document, and many more are available inside my document format. Along with that, you can see over here the default from extension. What does that mean? Whenever you are going to select default from extension, whatever the extension that we have in the document path for the particular file, it will store in the same format. All right. Now I'm going to save the document path over here. I'm going to select browse, and then I'm going to select from my documents, I'm going to select hello techies. Right now you can see the extension of this file, that is hellotechies.docx is my extension. So the default extension, it will save mode as I have selected save document as, and the document format which is the default format from the extension. What is that extension? That is .docx. Alright. Now let me click on save. Now you may ask, the save Word document functionality, we are having the same thing in the close Word also. Let me double click on the close Word action. There you can see I am having before closing the Word parameter. I'm going to select the parameter over here as save document as. Now why we are going to be using save Word explicitly? Close Word action also saves to a file, but this action leaves the Word file after saving the document. Right? But over here, I will show you a small scenario when to use save Word document. Let me click on cancel. This is my small scenario over here. As a first step, I'm going to launch a Word. For an example, test.docx. Then what we'll do, we'll read the document, right, by using read from Word document action. And then we are going to perform some actions on the test document. For an example, I'm going to write some data on the Word document, that is test.docx. Then what I am going to do, I am going to insert an image into the Word document again. And then finally, I am going to close the Word by using save document or save document as template. Right? That is by using close Word action. Now for an example, I got an error or at the time of performing an action on the document after writing the data. So what will happen? These remaining actions such as perform write on document, insert image document, I cannot save the file explicitly, right? Why I cannot save it? Because of I need to perform write on as well as insert image in Word action successfully. Then only I can go ahead and I can close the Word by saving document or save document as. But what we got an error at the time of write on Word document or at the time of insert image in Word document. At that time, I cannot save the document explicitly. In that case, I'm going to use save Word action. There you can see. First of all, I'm going to perform read action on the Word document. Then I'm going to write the data on the Word, right? Once it has been written, if there are no issues, then I'm going to explicitly, I'm going to use save word action on the document to save the document. And then I'm going to insert an image in Word. If I got any issues in the respective actions, then what will happen? Until whatever the action has been performed, it will save the document by using save word action. And then if you want to insert image in Word, then if it is successful, then again I'm going to do close Word with the option that is save document or save document as before closing the document, right? Now, in the same way, if I'm having multiple operations that I have to perform on the document before I have to save it, in that case, I will use save word action also. All right. Now, to make you understand, I'm going to use write to Word document action onto the workspace. What is the purpose of write to Word document? This action writes or append text to a Word file, right? The Word instance, I have given it as variable, which we are having from the launch Word. And then text to write. I'm going to write hello world. And then append new line. No, I'm not going to give any append new line. And write to text. I'm going to give at the beginning of the Word file. And then I'm going to click on save. Right? Now what will happen? First of all, I'm going to launch Word, that is hellotext.docx. And then I'm going to write some data on the particular file, that is hellotext.docx. Right? And then I'm going to explicitly save the document before closing the Word. Now what I'm going to do before closing the Word, I'm going to insert an image into my document by using insert image in Word document action. Let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace. Now by using insert image in Word document action, I'm going to insert the image to a Word file. Where I have to insert image to at the beginning of the Word file, and the insert image from, that is file, and image path I'm going to give it as, I'm going to select browse. I'm going for the local drive, local disk D drive, and then PAB labs and images. I'm going to select one image over here, that is power.png, right? Let me click on save. Now, if you observe the entire flow, at the first step, I'm going to launch the Word, that is hellotext.docx. And then I'm going to write the data to the Word document by using write to Word document action. And then I'm going to store the same in the Word instance, that is which we have used from the launch Word. Now, I'm going to explicitly save the document, that is save Word, and I'm going to give it save as. Where I have to save? In the same path I have given it over here, or else you can save document also, which will be stored inside the same path, that is c/users er/document/hellotext.docx. Once it has been saved the document, I'm going to insert the image, that is power.png, and then finally I'm going to close. Before closing the Word document, I'm going to save the document in the particular location, that is which we have given the path as launch Word. All right. Now let's run the flow to see the output by clicking on run. Flow execution started. At the first step, it is going to launch and open the document, that is hellotext.docx. At the second step, it will write the data to the Word document. Now you can see the third step over here, save Word. That is, it is trying to save the document explicitly, that is by using save word action. And then again, which document we have been saved, on the top of that, it is trying to insert an image in the Word document at the beginning of the Word document. And finally, it is going to be closing the Word document. The flow has executed successfully. Now let me show you the output by opening the document. There you can see at the beginning of the document an image has been inserted. Along with that, a text has been written such a way hello world. There you can see first hello world has been written, and then on the top of that at the beginning the image has been inserted. Right? Let me click on close. Alright. I hope you understand how to work with save word action as part of this tutorial.